At muli po kami nagbabalik mga kaibigan ng tatlong ungas na si Androp Seal at ako. Pero ngayon kami ay road trip, bibili po kami ng tubig. Kasi wala po kami tubig sa aming stop house. Kamusta po kayo? Namiss po namin kayo. Nandito naman po kami tatlo. Si Androp, ang aming driver. Si Hill ang aming passenger. At ako naman po ang pahinante. Welcome to the wonderful world of Turks and Caicos. Tignan nyo! Tignan nyo! Oh, diba? Ang ganda ng Turks and Caicos, no? Puro bushes! Bawal na po ngayon. Ang may hurricane na parating. Ano naman? Huwag naman, pauwi kami. Panoorin nyo lang po kami. Ang driver, COVID driver. Yan. Dito po, ang pag-drive po rito ay keep left. Kasi under po siya ng British, kaya keep left tayo mga kaibigan. Oh. At ang mga sasakyan, right hand drive. As you can see, kaya po WIV, nag-isang tawag doon pare? Channel sa ano? Cable company sa Turks and Caicos. Ayan po mga kaibigan. Ang kumbaga sa Pilipinas sa Inapocor, ayan po siya. Ang nag-iisang power company ng Turks and Caicos.
Para lang siyang power hub.
Diba? Ano daw? Para lang siyang
power hub.
Power hub. Ayan po, huwag kang tutuwid. Tatawid. Ayan po ang Napa, mga kaibigan. As you can see, Napa. Diyan po bumibili ng mga pyesa ng sasakyan. Bayview Motors, Napa. There you go. At susunod naman po matadaanan natin ang Goldsmith, kung saan po ay makakabili tayo ng mga perfume, jewelries, shoes, clothes, pants, and everything that you need. Yan po ang Goldsmith. Yan po kami bibili sapatos. Yan po ang Chessbook. Ang Chinese restaurant. Yan po ang bushes. May mga nakatira po dyan. Yan po ang Quality Supermarket. Slow down. See? Yan lang po ang buhay namin. After work, takbo sa labas, bibilin tubig. Pag dito matakbo sa labas, naglalakad. Ha? Yan po ang Shell, Scotiabank. Shell and Scotiabank. This is Kishko. As you can see, Kishko. And that, I do not know. Kishko Annex, as per Androp, Magalino. And that is the center complex where you can find the FedEx.
Ano gusto mo? Yan?
Saan? Oh, yun, pare.
Ito ka ng camera mo.
Eh, wala eh. Hindi ko nakita eh. Too late to handle. You can see. And on the left side, you can see Do It Center. The biggest shopping mall of hardware, plumbing, furniture, paint, everything that you need to build a house. That's why you call it Do It. Because you can find everything that you need to do it. Do it! We're still here at the Leeward Highway.
Still approaching the road.
I know you still drive. Fuck! I dropped my cell phone, god damn it. Oh, saan tayo punta? Para tubig. That was the, what you call it? The First Caribbean. Yes? As you can see, and there's the star of the show. It's Hill Barrett. Barrett Hill, the star of the show. He's our man. It's, you know, the good guy. And
The bad and the ugly. The good, the bad, and the ugly.
yeah,
You know that?
the good and the good is the bad, and that fucking guy is the ugly.
Good, the
Yay!
bad, and the ugly. You know that? It's storytelling a lie time.
This is where we're going to buy water. As you can see,
It's a rough road.
There?
Where rock is road.
It looks like we're in
It's
the
a
middle
rough
of the
road.
moon.
Where rock is road.
Yeah?
Where you can see the cars are approaching. You can see that.
Yes.
A lot of black guys.
Yes.
Ass black.
And this is where we're going to buy water?
It's close.
Fuck. It's close, man. What am I gonna do? What am I gonna do? Fuck, close, man. May barya ka dyan?
Wala nga eh. Baka may barya kayo dyan.
Wala ah.
Ano sa'yo maka-invento niyan, pare? Pili mo ka-invento niyan.
Hanggang 5 lang? Eh wala, 5 tayo lumalabas. Hindi talaga tayo abot.
Hindi tayo kukuha.
Eh may barya ba kayo?
Taniya sa mga wallet niyo mga pare ko eh.
So, we're gonna end this for now because we're going to buy some water
Pwede $1.
for the staff house,
Tara,
you know?
$1 pwede, tara.
So, see you later guys.
Pababa niyo na yung mga basyo.